Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to get Google Sheets. So if you guys want to have access into Google Sheets, basically it's so easy. If you're want to get a Google Sheet in your computer, you can just go to your Google Drive. So make sure that you have a Google account, and then you can just go to drive.google.com/drive, and then here in the Google Drive, to get a Google Sheets, you can just click on new, and then you'll find the list of options, and you'll find the Google Sheets option. And if you want to get it, you can just click on the Google Sheets, and just like that you just get a Google Sheets in your computer, and then you can just start editing or start making a spreadsheet. But if you want to get Google Sheet in your phone, you can just in your Android phone, you can just go to the Play Store, Google Play Store, and then install, and then search for Google Sheets and install it on your phone. Okay, so that is so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. Okay, if you get any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.